Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Powerbeats 3 wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they are not pairing or syncing with your device, if they keep disconnecting, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, you're going to need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped off and deleted. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get these set up as a new set of earphones, you just want to get a fresh start like you're taking them out of the box, it's real easy to do. All we need to do is on one of the earphones, we'll find the power connection button here, and then we'll find the volume down button on the cable here. And we're just going to press the volume down and the power button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you'll see the little LED indicator light blink several times, at which point you can release the buttons and go ahead. Your earphones are now reset. You can set them up as a new set of earphones.